Hello everybody, welcome to my brand new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to send one-time picture on Messenger. For doing this, just go to here on Messenger and you have to use Messenger application. Look at here the logo of Messenger. Right now you can see here my own friend send me some photos. Check it here, that is view photo, one time views photos. Right now you can see here this photo I have seen just in one time. Okay, so right now how can we send one-time pictures? For doing this, just click on here on picture, then select any picture. So I'm looking for any picture for selecting, so wait a second. For showing you, suppose I want to send this picture one time. Generally we just select this picture and click on send. That will not happen. Then click on edit option, then click on here view once. Right now you can see here, if you come here in fast times it will be off here. Then click on here for view once. Right now click on here send. If you send these pictures, look at here, this picture has been sent for one-time verification. So I hope you feel better for watching my video. If you feel better, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for next video.